Order po tayo ng server, guys. Pwede po yan. Yung gwapo ba gusto nyo?
The order has been placed.
Hindi man na kailangan pumunta ng Korea, may authentic Korean barbecue na mismo sa Pilipinas. Natikman ko na ito mismo dito sa Korea, and this is a very famous premium brand. Wolhwa Meat is known as one of the top 3 Samgyupsal restaurants in Korea, and Wolhwa Galbi is also ranked as one of the top 3 Galbi restaurants. Sobrang sikat na may mahahabang waiting lines. Of course, sa Korea, premium dining experience talaga siya. Pero sa Pilipinas, you get the same brand, same quality, pero unlimited refill ng real Korean barbecue. If you love authentic Korean barbecue, this is definitely a must-visit spot for Korean barbecue lovers. So for Pinoys and travelers, kung gusto mo ng tunay na Korean barbecue experience, hindi mo na kailangan mag-Korea. Nandito na siya sa Pilipinas. What are you guys waiting for? Check their branches at SM Mall of Asia in Green Hills. And scan this QR code to get your free croffle or large frappuccino.